let's cook pinaksiw, salmon vinaigrette. And we have salmon, of course, and I have collard green. And then I'm going to add minced onion and seasoning to taste and ground pepper. This is super. Yum. Happy cooking and more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez, are in this her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, available worldwide at Amazon, X Libris, Barnes & Nobles, all bookstores near you in ebook, Kindle, paperback format. That means you could upload my mom's cookbook and all my 22 books, yes, 22, including Mom and Chef, in your computer in minutes. And also at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, BSEDMSED.com, JuanitaGutierrez.com. Enjoy my beloved mom's delightful food recipes in Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video, Miss Gutierrez. Enjoy. And then I'm going to add in bay leaf for additional taste and of course for antioxidants. This is going to be super delicious. And also, we eat this with rice. Philippines and Asians love rice in all our food. Happy cooking in the Tagalog language. Masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat. I wrote a Tagalog book. If I could, excuse me please, if I could show you, it is Speak Tagalog Basic Primer, written by yours truly, Miss Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. That's why I love to translate review. So this is pinaksiw, salmon vinaigrette. Masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat. In Tagalog, happy cooking. See you in the next video, and thank you all so very much to all my wonderful subscribers, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe, and those who are watching and following my videos. Thank you all, deep in my heart. You're all gods and goddesses, children of one Creator. And I also honor our I Am God within our heartbeats, your heartbeats, in all humanity's heartbeats. We are all one. Namaste. I honor the God in me, in you, and all of us. And I honor my beloved mom and dad, and all my brothers and sisters, and all of you, my fellow divine beings, and my subscribers. Those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. Happy cooking. See you in the next video. Thank you all to my wonderful subscribers and to all my new subscribers. Thank you. See you again. Happy cooking. Enjoy. Yum.